Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to open up a Zurich Cantonal Bank savings account. So it's actually pretty straightforward once you know exactly where to click. So in this video, we're going to walk you through exactly how. So once you're on the home page, you will then see a login to e-banking button in the top right corner. So don't worry, you're not logging in yet. We just want to get to the next page. So simply click it and then look for Get to Know e-banking. So this is going to be on the left side next to the login fields. So this will then take you to the page where Zurich explains all their online banking features. So once you're here, simply navigate to the accounts and cards section. Here you will then be able to see a bunch of options like Zurich Savings Account, Zurich Savings Account Young, and a few others. So for this walkthrough, we're going to pick the standard savings account. And on the next page, simply click the Open an Account button to start the onboarding process. So the process begins by asking for your age group. So simply select the one that fits you. And you then move on to choosing your products. So Zurich has some banking packages and individual products, like the Zurich Inclusive Account with a credit card or the Zurich Banking Young package if you're 14 to 29 years old. So simply pick the option that suits your needs. You can also add additional services or cards if you want, but for a simple savings account, the basic selection is enough. And after selecting your products, you will then continue through the onboarding steps, which include providing your personal information and verifying your identity. And once that's done, your account will then be ready to use, and you can start saving right away. So that's really it. It only takes a few clicks and some basic information, but it's pretty quick once you know exactly where everything is. So if this helped you out, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe, then we'll see you on the next one.